Guys, my name is Naveed and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we'll discuss the tuple in Python language. This is another data structure in Python language. Actually, you can say the Python tuple are very similar to lists, but as we know, lists are mutable, but tuples are immutable. It's mean like we cannot change the tuple. So, for example, first of all, how we can create a tuple? To create a tuple, we will use the bracket and the item separated by comma. For example, my tuple equal to 1, 2, and 3, and print my tuple, shift enter. Okay, so this is my tuple, but same like a list. It is not like a array, like we should have all the data of same data type. No, we can have the like string, integer, mixed data type. My tuple dynamic is equal to Navi 1, 2, or 1, 2, and print my tuple dynamic, shift enter. Here you can see. Next thing, for example, if you want to find out what is the length of this tuple, so very common function length, so we can use that to find out the length of my tuple. So my tuple for dynamic, shift enter. Here you can see the length of my tuple is 3. So as we know, like a tuple are immutable, so we cannot change the tuple. For example, we can access the tuple just like an array indexing like 0, 1, 2. For example, I want to access this my tuple dynamic and 1. Okay, at second index is 122. For example, I want to change this. So for example, 7. So here we get an error. The tuple object does not support item assignment. So now you are thinking like, okay, we understand like we cannot change the tuple. So is there any way like we can change the tuple value? Yes, we can. But how we can do? Simply convert into list, then change whatever you want to do, and again we can convert into tuple. Same thing, for example, if you want to just like add an item in your tuple, so for that we need to make a list, like convert into list, and then we can add our item and again convert into tuple. So let me show you. For example, simply temp is equal to, let me convert into list my tuple dynamic. Okay, now I can append temp dot append because it's a list, so we can use the list function append, and I want to append Ahmed, and again I want to my new tuple is equal to and convert into tuple and temp print print my new tuple, shift enter, and here you can see we have successfully append. Next thing is, so how we can iterate through the tuple. So same like a list, for item in my new tuple, print item, shift enter. So same like a list, we can iterate using loop from our tuple. Next thing is how we join two tuples. So simply you can do this using an, you can say, addition operator. For example, my tuple, shift enter. This is one, first tuple, and my new tuple, and this is my second tuple. So now I want to, you can say, the join these two tuples. Simply by using the plus sign, we can perform this operation. Final tuple is equal to my tuple plus my new tuple, print final and shift enter. And here you have see, like, we have joined these two tuples. So that's it for today. If you like my video, click on subscribe button, hit the bell icon. Let's meet another video.